So, one of the best things that I own, motorcycle wise, is the Cardo Packtalk Edge. I absolutely adore this unit. Intercom wise, best thing I've ever had. I mean, for the group riding, it's just superb. It's not a review about that. It's the fact that I also want a Packtalk Edge on my other helmet. Currently here on the Alpenstars, and yes, it's on the back. Apparently that's what influencers do. No, it's because on the side it's not very good and it was starting to fall off. But not about that today. So, I have decided to treat myself, because it's my birthday today, one of these. It's the second helmet kit with JBL speakers. So we're looking at about, I think I picked this up at the Motorcycle Live in Birmingham for 75 quid. And this will allow me to just quite simply swap over this fantastic unit from one to the other when I decide to change helmets for the day. Because, well, you know, sometimes I want this, sometimes I want this. So what we'll do is we'll have a look what's in the box, this great little option, and well, let's fit it. Yeah, cool. Now let's look at what's in the actual box. So, okay, it's got one of those there. I'll just cut that with my Super Samurai sword. As such. I'm not doing a full review of the Packtalk Edge because there's a million out there. But just, you know, this might be an option that you're looking for if you've got more than one helmet. We have the instructions. I don't think I'll need instructions, but well, you never know. And the box itself, what we got. Got a box in a box. And we have the boom mic, which I shall not be using. We have our JBL speakers. We have the clip, so either stick on or, you know, the kind of push it up inside. I'll have to see which one to use. And then we have, of course, the actual unit itself. What else we got? We've got another box in a box. And here we have the normal mic. Got some Velcro for obviously for the speakers, and various sticky Velcro bits and pieces, and a nice alcohol prep pad. Right, just to keep everything nice and neat, and because of the cats, probably try and steal it and eat it or something. Let's get everything back nice and neat while we prepare my other crash helmet. Right, let's take the cheek pads off. Now I've currently got another speaker system in here for a review I did on a budget intercom system. If you're interested in looking at that, I'll put the link somewhere. Okay, so let's get this holder out first. Out you come, out you come, out you come, and then you got you at the front there. That's, like I said, for another system. Right, put you there. I wanted to fit it to the back, but it's a little bit too rounded there, unfortunately. So, and there is some flexibility there, so maybe I could, but there's a bit too much of a gap here. No, unfortunately, it is going to have to go on the side here. Okay, never mind. That's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. So what I'll do now is I'll just give it a a little bit of a clean. Used alcohol prep pad. Make sure we've got it on the left side, yeah. Okay, just wait for this alcohol pad to dry. Let's turn off the tape. And try and get it right first time. So there. Yep, I'd say that's good. And then of course, okay. This is obviously 2 speakers and microphone. Now this has already got the Velcro ones in there from the other unit, so I don't need those. But let's get the microphone in next. And like I said, it comes with its Velcro bits, but I've already got some on there, so no need for that. There's our mic. And we're gonna pop in there. And here's the cable. Okay, so it will be held in place by the cheek piece itself. Yeah, focus on that, JBL. So shortest is obviously on this side. And so you can also, of course, I don't know, change them. And let's get that in like so. Oh, don't do it like that. It's one, and then I'm going to have you. Go. Get you right behind there. And then second speaker in like that. All nicely pushed behind there. And then let's plug these back in like that. Okay, right, let's next fiddle around with the cheek pads. Actually, I'll remove this chin curtain just for now, make it easier. And you're going to go in like that. Come on, last clicker, you can get there. 3. And there we have it. Now let's just check it all works. And it's on. Superb. Happy birthday to me. Thanks everyone. See you soon. Please like and subscribe. Blah blah blah. Bye.